Hi love, in this video I'm going to show you how you can restyle your coily hair, taking it from this right here to this. You want to see how you can turn your hair from coily to wavy, then please keep on watching this tutorial. So this is the hair I'm starting out with, and you can see it's actually a coily hair. And what I'm going to do right now is just section off the up part of the hair and use my hair clip to clip up the up part away. After sectioning off the up part of the hair, I'm going to use that hair clip and clip it on top. Next is the heat protectant spray I'm using, and it's the argan oil protein magic complex heat protectant spray. I sprayed it all over the hair that I sectioned off. Then I clipped away this part of the hair again because I want to be able to work in small sections, because what I want to do right about now is to straighten the hair. So I used the end of the hair to detangle it, and I started using the combing parts to comb through the hair to sort of free up the curls a little bit. And I'm going to moisturize this hair using my Moroccan argan oil. And after applying the Moroccan argan oil to the hair, what I'm going to do is to start using my hair straightener to straighten the hair. So I use my comb to comb through the hair while I straighten the hair. And you're going to notice that the hair doesn't really turn to like a bone straight, because of course this hair is very coily. It's going to take a lot of patience for me to straighten this hair to be bone straight. So what I just basically do is I just try to get this be as straight as I possibly can. And because I'm trying to coil the hair, now I'm still going to go through the process of coiling the hair again, because I'm not trying to wear the hair as the straight hair. I'm trying to wear the hair as a coily hair. So while I'm still straightening the hair, I go back in and apply my Moroccan argan oil serum to the hair, and I spray the heat protectant spray, and I keep on straightening the hair while I comb through it with that rat tail comb. And I keep straightening the hair in small sections. And take note, I'm going to repeat this same process all over the entire hair. So just know that the straightening process of applying the heat protectant spray and also the Moroccan argan oil serum is what I'm going to do all over the entire week until I've straightened it. And if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed to my channel, sis, bro, please support your girl. Click on the subscribe button right below so that you know when I upload a new video to my channel, and turn on the post notification bell as well. Also share this video with somebody who is also going to get value out of it. And let's get back to it. So you can see that I already finished straightening the bottom part of the hair, and I'm on the other section right here, and I just cut out that section and I sprayed my heat protectant spray and I applied the Moroccan argan oil serum. Next, I'm using that hair straightener to straighten the hair, and the hair straightener I'm using is the Cloud9 hair straightener. Someone asked me if I've used another brand of hair straightener, which is a Nigerian brand. I'm hopefully going to buy it by the end of this month and then review it on our YouTube channel. But for now, I'm still using my Cloud9 hair straightener, but I wish I could find a hair straightener that is hotter than this one right here. But right now, this is what I have, so I'm going to keep on using it. So I keep on straightening the hair, and this is what the hair looks like after I've straightened it. So I didn't finish this process in a day. The following day, I noticed that after I straightened the hair, this hair was looking a bit more coily. So I started to straighten the hair all over again, because I noticed that the hair was reverting back to being coily on its own. So I know that the moment I put this hair inside water, it's definitely going to turn into a coily hair again. What I want to do now is to start coiling the hair. So I've finished straightening the entire hair right now, but before coiling it, I want to trim the bottom part, because one thing you notice about coily hairs is that the lengths are not usually equal. So what I'm trying to do is to ensure that on all levels of the hair I have equal length, but I'm cutting it in such a way that the next level on top is slightly higher than the level at the bottom part. Yes, so you're going to watch me just cut the hair a little bit on the various levels of the hair that I section off. Watch and see how I do it. It's a very easy process. Yeah, and the essence of me doing this is just to ensure that the curls don't look boring. The curls don't just fall on each other and are on the same level. I don't want the curls to be on the same level. I don't want it to have an exaggerated layered look, because I would still want to revert this hair back to being coily. So I'm just cutting it a little bit. Yes. If you're watching this video so far and you're not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button right below so that you know when next I upload a new video on my channel. Am I saying the same thing over and over again? I don't know what's wrong with me today, God. I probably haven't filmed a tutorial in like 2 weeks thereabout. But guys, please just manage this video for me. I really took my time to film this video. This filming this video actually took days. And I don't know why I haven't really had that I haven't really had that zeal or motivation to film videos. I think I've just been sort of in a dark place recently. Like I've been missing my mom. I've just been asking God. I can't really understand the reason why she died, because it was just sudden. I spoke to her the previous day and then the next day she's dead. You know, sometimes you think that you're okay and you're getting over like losing somebody, and all of a sudden it hits you again and you're sad all over again. So yesterday, that was when people were busy coupling up and having fun and all of that. I couldn't really do that, even as much as I couldn't really, because I was really, really sad. And being a Catholic, because yes, I've gone back to attending Catholic church. Being a Catholic, I had to attend. I went for Hash Wednesday mass, and while I was in church, I was just crying. Because I don't know why, most times when I'm praying or crying when I'm praying these days, I just find myself crying because I can't really understand. Anyway, story of my life, man. Life. I can't really understand why God decided to let my mom go, but what do I do? So you see me cut the layers on the hair, especially the one that's going to be on the upper part. You can see how I took it on a sort of a slanted. I made the cutting on that part of the hair to be sort of slanted. I'm taking it from the up and cutting it all the way down, because I want it to be sort of layered and frame the face in a beautiful way. And for the bottom part, I'm just trying to cut out any hairs that look like it's excessively long compared to where the other ones are. And right about now, I'm done with cutting the hair. What I'm going to do next is to start coiling my hair, and I'm going to be using the coiling wand to coil the hair after I've cut out the upper part of the hair and clipped it away. Yes, sorry guys, I was rambling so much about being in my feelings and not being motivated to like film videos and all, but at least I'm glad I'm getting back to filming. I'm glad I'm getting back to filming content. Yeah, I'm glad I'm back to filming content. So what I'm doing now is just coiling the hair. You notice that, of course, I sprayed the heat protectant spray again on the hair, because when you're using heat, you want to protect your hair from excessive heat damage. And after I've coiled the hair, I'm going to use my hair clip to clip the hair on top so that the coils cool off before I take off the hair clip from the hair. So I use the coiling one sort of straighten the hair, then I now go into coil it up. Just watch and see how I'm doing it. It's a very easy process if you're watching to see how I'm doing it. When I take a section of the hair, I just sort of straighten the hair first with the coiling wand, and then I wrap it all the way up. If I don't show it on camera, probably because I edited the video, that part of the video out, just know that I use the coiling wand and run through that small section of the hair first before I then start to coil it all the way up. Then when I get to a new section, I spray my heat protectant spray, I comb through the hair, I cut out the small section of the hair, and I start coiling it. You see that running through that I did, and then I proceed to coiling it, and I leave the coils up there for about 1 minute, and then I take out the hair pin that I used to hold that coiling wand on top there, and then I clip the coil away and I coil another part of the hair, and I keep on doing the same process until I finish coiling the entire hair, which you guys are going to see, of course. Okay guys, if you're watching this video so far and you're not subscribed to my channel, please, we are on our way to getting to 15,000 subscribers. Please help your sister, help your girl get to 15k subscribers on YouTube. I would really appreciate it. So please share this video with somebody who needs tutorials on how to maintain their hair, tips on starting a new business, my vlogs, skincare tips. I have a lot of playlists on my channel. Go check my playlist. I don't do just hair tutorials. I actually used to film other videos, but in recent times I just tend to do more of hair tutorials because my business is I sell hair extensions, and I also provide other services. So this is basically what I do behind the scenes. So I decided to just film tutorials on what I do behind the scenes and just put it up on my YouTube channel instead of just doing what I do behind the scenes on my own. So it's an avenue for you to learn learn with me, yeah, it's an avenue for you to learn with me. And people have been asking me if I teach how to revamp hair online and the rest of it, but I just feel like the videos I put out on YouTube are enough. They are really enough. So I really don't know if you guys want me to still have like a special class on how to revamp hairs and all that. But if you want a special class, just let me know and maybe I'd work on something. This is the next day after I'd finished coiling the hair. What I'm doing is just taking out the hair clips and ensuring that the coils go in a particular direction that I want it to go. For the coils on the left side, you notice that I'm taking the coils to face the right side. And for the coils on the right side, you notice that I'm facing it to face the left side. That's basically what I'm going to do from the bottom part of the wig all the way to the up part of the wig, which is a very easy process. So guys, if you haven't purchased my ebooks, how to start your hair business and hair extensions and how to test its quality, please shop those ebooks. They are available on my website. The links to how you can purchase those ebooks are in my description box. To start the closure area, what I'm doing is I'm going to spray that heat protectant spray all over the hair on the closure area, and I'm going to also apply this hair wax right here on the hairs on the closure area, just to ensure that if there are any short flyaway hairs, the hair gets laid. And so sort of the hair wax also gives the hair a bit of shine. So the hair wax is just to help the wig on the upper part look more beautiful. And I'm going to use this hot coiling wand now to flatten the hair around the closure area. If you have your hot comb, you can use your hot comb for this process, but I'm using my coiling wand to flatten the hair around the closure area because this is what I want to use for this tutorial. Hey, if you're getting value from this video so far, please make sure you smash the like button and share this video with somebody who would also get value out of it. Yes. You can see what I'm doing. I'm combing through the hair and I'll use the hot coiling wand to flatten the hair on the upper part of that wig. And you can see how beautiful this hair looks. Who would have told you that same hair that was coily could look like this? Who would have told you that you can actually change the way your hair looks from coily to being wavy? Who would have told you? And the beautiful thing about when you coil hair that was coily, when you turn a wavy hair to being coily, rather when you turn a coily hair to being wavy, the curls are going to last long because the pattern of the hair is actually meant to hold curls. So when you coil wavy hair, it still holds curls. It's not going to drop to be straight. It's going to last long. So this is a very beautiful process you can do if you have coily hairs that you are tired of wearing coily. You can convert the hair to being wavy. Another thing was that this hair was actually black before, so I changed it to this. I colored it this way. So this is what we started with, and we took it from that to this right here. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with somebody. Remember, people would have comfortable positive life, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye love. Check out my other videos.